Hi, I'm Margie Saborov. I'm the founder of Angel Foundation, and you're here for our 20th annual Angel and Eagle Golf Classic. And first off, I just want to thank Mercedes for their ongoing support. Every year you're here, you're supporting us, water bottles, financial support, and it just means so much because you're supporting our local cancer community. Patients who don't have funds for food and gas and housing, the money from today is going to help those families get through these tough times while they're going through their cancer treatment. We're here at Minnesota Valley, which is my home course, which I'm very proud of and I love. And we have a full field. We have 146 golfers here today. So the support of our sponsors means so much. Joe has been one of our staunch supporters for many, many years. Since we own Mercedes, we felt that was a great partnership, and Joe and team just stepped up right away and wanted to support Angel Foundation, and we're local. So obviously they feel good about linking our two names together, and we love having them as one of our supporters of our golf event. So we have lunch for all the golfers, and we have a shotgun start at noon. And we'll all go out there. We have some games on the course. We have a cash raffle. We have a silent auction. We're excited for all we're doing in the community and all of our partnerships. And again, the sponsors who help us do our work in our local community.